In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a template in Wrike. So if you want to save time and stay organized in Wrike, templates let you create projects or tasks instantly without starting from scratch. So here's how to use them step by step. So log into Wrike and at the left side, click on your profile. Now in here, scroll down and select Templates and Solutions. Open it to see available templates. Now these can be project, task, or workflow templates. So choose one. You can also preview it. So browse or search for a template, click the one you want, review its structure, tasks, deadlines, and subtasks, and make sure it fits your workflow. Now click Use Template. So now it's preparing your space, wait for it. So this creates a copy you can edit. So what you can do is to assign tasks to team members, adjust deadlines, edit or remove unnecessary tasks. Tailor it to your needs. And that's basically it. Using templates in Wrike can save you tons of time and keep your projects consistent every time. Thanks for watching.